Okay, I haven't even been in the mall for like less than 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And she sees a Bath & Body Works. This is like one of her favorite. I should own stock in the Bath & Body Works. All the candles that she loves to buy. I've only been in here for 3 minutes, guys. I hadn't even made it past the food court yet. And we're already in here. She's already in here buying candles already. Oh well, you know what? It's only money and she's having fun. If anybody knows me, everybody knows that I love massages. And so that's like that is heaven to me.
Yeah, but it's also the kind of store he was in when we were in Houston, and the rate of people where I thought there was a gunfight shooting out. That's what kind of store he was in as well, that I had to go run and hide into.
Yeah, she messed up my massage. All right, welcome everyone to this episode this week. Hey, I just want to take a couple minutes and talk about this episode and kind of like what we're going to be doing. And so this week, hold on one second, I got to get my cream. So, as we've been on this tour, I will tell you that things have just been like up and down. It's kind of been all over the place. Our emotions have kind of like been all over the place. And one of the things that I'm learning behind this is try not to focus on what I can't control, but focus on what I can control. So that's why I am so excited about this week. This week, we are going to be with one of our software partners, Trace, and we're going to be doing an event with them. And then we're going to be doing some ride-alongs with Beacon this week, and that should be really fun. You know, the main thing about this and what I love to do is I love consulting with our contractors and basically seeing their businesses just succeed and grow and be able to do those things. So we're getting ready to go. I'm going to actually go ahead and brush my teeth. I know you guys don't want to see this, so I tell you what, just keep watching, subscribe below, ring the bell, come follow us. We're heading up to the third floor and getting ready to get set up for our event today with Trace. So we're excited and we can't wait. We're going to get a lot of lunch and do a lot of learning. We'll see you guys here soon.
Hey y'all, well today has been kind of a yucky day here in Oklahoma City. I'm going to show you in a minute. It looks like we might be going to get some bad weather.
I'm getting ready to batten down the hatches. They're expecting thunderstorms here. They're expecting maybe like 40 to 60 mile an hour winds over today and tomorrow. And so we're gonna have to batten up. They do have a shelter here that if it does get bad, hopefully we're not gonna have it. It's gonna go around us, but I gotta prepare for it. And it's just part of one of those things that I can't control. So anyway, I gotta batten up the hatches and get this stuff put up. Time to batten down the hatches. It's starting to rain.
Some little red dots right in there. I hope they go somewhere else.
Libby's sleeping right through it. I wish I could sleep right through it.
Okay, y'all, I'm sitting in the camper. The wind is really blowing outside. It almost feels like, I don't know if there's a tornado, strong winds. Hopefully it's just strong winds, but the camper is shaking and Ronnie is back here. I cannot believe he is sleeping. Just like he doesn't feel a thing. Look at this. Can you believe that? Ronnie. Can you not feel the camper shaking? We may need to go to the storm shelter. This is ridiculous. How can you sleep through this? Oh well, hopefully we'll be okay. If it gets too bad, thank goodness this campground has storm shelters because we'll be heading to them.
Well, here's the good news. The good news is that we weathered the storm. I tell you what, it really, thank God, it just had a lot of rain. It had a lot of, just a lot of thunder, a lot of lightning. Thank God that there was no like heavy wind. I don't know if you've ever experienced it or not, but even when you're getting 40, 50 mile an hour winds and being in a camper, it will rock the camper really good. But we actually weathered that, so I'm glad that is over with. I know that we talked about it was coming, it came, and now it's out of here. And so now as the rain's kind of stopped, and so we're good to go. So today we're going to be heading over to the Beacon store today, and I'm looking really forward to meeting these guys and working with those, and to do some education about our integration, how it works between JobNimbus and Beacon today. So I'm getting everything ready to go, and we're going to be heading out here in a little bit.
Guys, I am inside of the Beacon store, and we had a wonderful turnout here at this store, and I just want to give a shout out. I want to introduce you to Austin Kearns. He's one of the case reps here at this location, and he did an absolute amazing job. We ended up having like contractors that are on pen and paper that showed up, and so this was a great deal. Austin, man, thank you so much for letting us come out. And you got to pick where we're going to go eat today, so you got to figure that out.
Just got to know what y'all like. There's everything around here.
Don't we look like we like everything?
Appreciate y'all coming out. You know, y'all are just another tool we can get in front of contractors to help their businesses grow. So I really do appreciate y'all coming down. Really excited I got to meet you guys too. So
that's awesome, man. Thank you so much, dude. It's my pleasure.
So we were told that we needed to come to Cattleman's Steakhouse. And so Jill and I, we took the advice. So a good friend of ours, Bill Henderson, that lives in Tennessee, told us that we needed to come here. And so tonight we're going to come in here. We're going to check out the steaks and see if they're any good or not. So Bill, man, it's on your shoulders, dude. It better be good.
That is going to be really good. I can already tell. This meal was like awesome. So if I had to actually rate this for me, and if I had to put it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to definitely give it a 5 for sure. It was just awesome. So if you're ever in the Oklahoma area, you got to come try out Cattleman's Steakhouse because it's freaking amazing. So I'm going to flip this around and see what Jill thinks.
It's delicious. It's very good.
So if you had to rate it, what would you rate it?
4.85. Only because it's the most tender steak I've probably ever had. The seasonings, it could have used just a little bit more. Are we gonna need to run down on the dessert?
Yeah. It's dessert time. The coconut. Y'all have you want the coconut?
You can.
We will split it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You're gonna have to wheel me up out of here by the time I get through with this.
All right, guys. It has absolutely been a crazy week. There's been a lot of crazy things happen. There's been a lot of things that we have not been able to control this week. And so just a lot of storms that have blown through. Some of the scheduled things that didn't happen. But we really enjoy you guys watching this episode with us. Jill and I just want to say thank you for following us. If you're enjoying this ride, subscribe below. Leave us a comment. We're out here by ourselves right now, so it would be great to hear from you, to hear what you guys think. But until then, hey, goodbye. We'll see you guys on the next episode, and you guys have a great day later on.